Alright, so here's how I fixed the rear seat belt on the Grand Cherokee. I also had that problem where it just retracted in too much, and when I had the seat down last and I could not get it back up. So what happens is this little rivet here breaks on top. And so what I did is I just put some zip ties on for now. I'll cut off the ends, and like where the old rivet used to be. So there's a little hole and they slide through. And so it won't slide in anymore. But like everyone else's, it was stuck like down in the down position, and there's just no room to like work on it. So what I did first is I took off this cover with it's got two T25s, I believe, and that let the belt come down like another inch or so, and it gave me enough slack to push the seat up. And there might still be the indent, yeah, a little indent right there, because it was so tight that the buckle is still pushing on it. And then that gave me access to down here. So this bolt right here is a 18 mil bolt that holds the seat belt and the buckle, and I was able to get to it with what is this, 6-inch extension, half-inch with 18 mil, until to pry it in there and get it on. But we've got this anchor bolt for the seat belt. It's pretty tight. I had to use my huge breaker bar to get it started, and because there's so much tension on it with the belt, I actually had to use my impact to get it off. And once that was off, I just put these on and just made sure it didn't lock again, had it up, and that's it. I was reading a lot of people were taking apart the whole seat. I just did not see how that was possible, but this worked. Took a little bit of muscle, but hopefully it helps out the rest of you that are having this problem.